Hey friends, if you encounter the not found or missing error on Windows with the error statement gdi32 full.dll not found, then please watch this video. Now, ideally, someone would say that re-register the DLL file, but here's what I suggest. This is the best solution. Run an SFC scan. It will fix the problem in 80 to 85% of the cases. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc space forward slash scan now and hit enter to invoke the sfc scan. The next solution is to update the graphics card drivers. Search for device manager in the Windows search bar. Open device manager. Expand the list for display adapters. Right click on the first one. Select update drivers. Right click on the second one. Select update drivers. The next solution is to uninstall all recently installed applications on your system. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu. Now go to the apps tab, select installed apps, change it to date installed, and this will show all recently stored applications. Click on the ones which are redundant and remove them, especially any suspicious third-party application. And lastly, I'll just mention one solution for all. You can bypass this one. It is to perform a clean boot, because if you are unable to identify the problematic program on your system, a clean boot will help you, because when you reboot your system in the clean boot state, all third-party programs are disabled by default. So you can use the hit and trial method to find out. Search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Click on services. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the services check, click on disable all, apply, OK, and then click on restart. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you better. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.